Assalamu alaikum. This number also need that fact about triangles. I mean all the angles inside the triangles. The fact is when you add all the angles inside the triangle, it will be equal to 180. And then the fact that all the angles on a straight line, when you add them or sum or add them, it's also equal to 180. These two facts you need for this number. Now look, so that means I will start with this angle. Let me say this is x. So x plus 120, I will use this fact. Okay, that is because this is a straight line. I can first find out the angle here. So it is the angle inside the triangle, right? So which is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 120. So 180 minus 120 is equal to 0, and then this is how much? This is 6, right? And 0, right? So this is 60 degree, which is inside. Now that's not the angle which we are looking for. Now let's find out the angle that is asked in the question. Now see the question mark. You may use another alphabet, Y or something, but I will use this one since it is labeled that there. So now I know that this x is equal to 60, right? So the angles inside the triangle, now I will use this fact. So it will be 54 plus 60 is equal to 180. Now 60 and 54, when we add, it is equal to 4 and 11 here, right? Now, so this question mark is equal to 180. So say this one is 114, right? So I subtract it, 1144. So let's subtract 180, 114. I subtract. Now I have to take that 1 from here and then make it 10. 10 minus 4, 6, and 7 minus 1 is again 6, and this is 0. So the angle is 66 degree. So we know the answer for this is 66. I hope it's clear. Thank you.